happened is I asked Casey for a snack at his house, and he said, and here's the...
Actually, it's ground beef now. You have to cook it. No?
If you cook it...
I don't know how.
So he thought it'd be genius to bring in everything. He brought chips that were touched by some people. Seriously? Taco shells?
Go on. Oh,
I would hate to see what his restaurant would be like if he owned one. Oh, here, take some half-eaten bag of chips.
Salty crackers?
Josh could have touched them. Oh gosh, this is gonna end badly. Seriously, a can of tomatoes.
Can of sauce.
Tomato sauce.
Pasta sauce.
Pasta tomato sauce, you...
You don't want it?
Bay Wheel's shirt-wearing freak.
How about some raw?
What?
R-U-M?
Right, he's not... I'm drunk. Next he brings a towel.
Josh didn't touch this.
A white watermelon.
Well, I mean, a few flies were on it, but it's never finished.
I'm not eating a watermelon that the flies have touched. And gotten their disease on it. Here was a squirrel that was in, like, California with a black plague. It's gonna kill us all. It's gonna kill us all. He's just being stupid. Oil, really? Better off eating nothing. He's just gonna bring everything out of his kitchen.
We got lucky. 2 bags of oyster crackers.
Just what I wanted to eat while I was sitting on bed. Not really.
I'll give you a second back.
Oh, gosh. What an idiot. Oh my gosh. As you look into a hallway.
Excuse me, it's a hot dog.
Josh's hot dog.